Hey everybody, it's Molly with AllEars, and right now I am at the media event for the grand opening of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge at Disney's Hollywood Studios. And I'm about to do something so cool and exciting, guys. I'm about to go play with some scrap metal. Now, I can't speak too loudly because the first order's around here, but that means I'm about to go into Savi's workshop and build my very own lightsaber, and I want you guys to come along with me to the spires. So when you build your own lightsaber, you get to pick which design of hilt you like before you go inside. And each of the designs are designed after different eras of Jedis and Sith Lords. So the Peace and Justice is kind of our newer age resistance fighters, like Rey. Power and Control, no shock that is your Sith Lords, like Darth Vader. That's going to be Kylo Ren. That's your bad guy stuff. Elemental Nature isn't really tied to any specific group of Jedis, but it's really in tune with nature. It reminds me of when Luke goes to train with Yoda. You'll see the Rancor teeth and things like that. And then Protection and Defense is your classic Jedis. We're talking Luke, we're talking Obi-Wan. So the first thing you'll do is you'll get to look at each of these and decide which hilt you want. So right here, you can look at them and decide which one you want. That was Elemental Nature. This one is Peace and Justice. This one is Protection and Defense. And this one is Power and Control. Wait, yes, I got it right. You'll also get a boarding color to let Savi know that you have spoken with the gatherers outside, and you will get a color and they will call you by color. It's called your credential. So to enter Savi's, you do have to pay up front. The lightsabers are $199, and when you go in, you can have one builder and one watcher. So you can have a parent go with a child. You can basically bring in someone with you if they want to see the experience, but don't want to actually pay for or build the lightsaber themselves. Another important thing to note about Savi's, if you're not going to build a lightsaber, you're not going to be allowed in. So you either have to be building a lightsaber or the guest, the watcher of someone building one, but you can't just go in and take a look, because it's not just a shop, it's an experience.
This one from you, Sarah. Thank you. Does not like these other ones.
So you will see that you are assigned a workshop.
How are you today?
I'm good.
Very good. You've been waiting a long time for this.
Very long time.
Okay.
No, it seems a little... well, a lot, but to us this is everything. I see you've already met the gatherers. Please introduce yourselves.
Austin. Lindsay.
And you may call me Kembe. Now, to some of you, this may look like a lot of old junk, but let me assure you, some of it is new junk. Let me explain. We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics, abandoned places, forgotten outposts, and battle-ravaged planets. And what we find, we bring here, to the workshop. So where a stormtrooper may see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may ensure our future. You've heard the legend of Luke Skywalker, yes?
Yes.
Very good. Well, now we hear there is another. A new Jedi. Do you know her name? Rey, yes. What she is leading is the spark of hope that we have been searching for so long. And that's why you're here. To look ahead. Well, and to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection on its builder with the force flowing between them. Today you will feel that connection. But enough talking. Let's begin, shall we? We begin with perhaps the most important part of the lightsaber, the kyber crystal. Able to focus the energy of the force to magnify it, some say the kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. But the color of the crystal determines the color of the lightsaber's blade. The blue crystal, like the one wielded by Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey. The green crystal, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by Mace Windu. And red, the color of power, the crystal of Darth Maul, the Sarge Ventress Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are the stories of the past, and we're here for you, our future. It's now time to select your kyber crystal. Everyone, close your eyes. Close your eyes. In your mind, picture your crystal. What color do you see? Now open your eyes and select your crystal, and remember, the crystal may be choosing you. Very good. You've all selected your crystals. Now, if you would, please place them in the green crystal holders in front of you. We will now pair your crystal with the unique lightsaber design that you yourselves have chosen. We'll begin by building your hilt, the foundation of your lightsaber, your center of control, and the part that stops your hand from being disintegrated. In these boxes are the unique components of the lightsaber design that you yourselves have chosen. Very good. Now, in the boxes you will find the chassis, activation plates, grip, pommel cap, and emitter. Building a lightsaber is a journey. Just as you selected your kyber crystal, so too you will now select the individual parts that make up your own unique saber. The gatherers are here to help you, should you require assistance. Well, are we ready?
Yes.
Very good. Let's build.
Rising Travelers. My name is Lindsay. I'm going to be guiding you through this build today. You're going to begin with your chassis. Hold it to where the lines are facing towards the sky. Go ahead and pick up your chassis. And you're going to take your kyber crystal and insert it into the middle of your chassis. When done correctly, it will sync to you, it will light up, and you'll be able to spin it with your finger. Once you've got your kyber crystals in, you can choose a set of activation plates. You'll see on the inside of the set there is a red and blue square. That is going to align with the red and blue square on the main chassis. So you'll align red to red and blue to blue, and they'll just snap into place. Choose from the same set. Alright. Once those are set, you're going to choose 2 of your 4 grips, one for the top and one for the bottom. The copper side is going to go towards your activation plate, and you'll give it a push and turn until it's tight. Other way around, the copper towards your activation plate. And turn it until it's tight.
Your saber. Your first choice may be the one guided to you.
Emitter for the top and a pommel cap for the bottom. Go ahead and choose another grip for the bottom. Put that copper side towards the activation plate.
actually going to put this perfect, just like that. Since it's precious scrap metal, in order to put these perfect. There we go. So now you're going to choose one of those two emitters.
Right now you're going to choose an emitter for the top and a pummel panel for the bottom.
So I built the lightsaber. They walk you through which pieces you need to go. There are some choices along the way, so you can totally customize it, even though you picked one of the 4 presets before you got in here.
Beautiful lightsaber. Some of the oldest pieces in our workshop. Pencil connection with the origins of the Force.
This
Very
is going to
nice.
be your activation when the time
It's
comes.
interesting. Some of the older
Slide it up
pieces,
to activate.
a lot of detail given towards gold, bronze, silver, more luxurious, wealthy-looking items. Whereas some of our more contemporary lightsabers, much more practical.
I'm all about those wealthy looking things.
You do?
Like a lot of gold.
Well, I won't judge you on your credits. This will make an excellent lightsaber. Well done. What we have over here. Pieces just no. Now, builders, if you haven't already, I suggest picking up your lightsaber in your dominant hand, whether that be your left or your right. Very good. Take that moment. Start to feel how that lightsaber settles in your grip. How the individual components affects the weight, the balance. Yes, I wouldn't say that on just yet. We've got enough holes in the roof of the workshop here. Very good. And then vertically, in the position you will. It should feel as natural as your own hand. Excellent work. Yeah, place it down if you wish. I know they can get a little heavy. If the blade doesn't do damage, the hilt certainly will. Very good. Now then, take a look around the room. Start to notice the other sabers that we have created here. All of these sabers were created in the workshop along with you. All of them unique, and all of them very different. But combining that with this common usage of being your lightsaber. Now, take these next moments of reflection upon your new lightsaber. Very nice. You've all completed your hilts and nothing unexpected or traumatic happened. Because why would it? Which brings us now to the most dangerous part of the process. I'll ask everyone to take a step back. Gatherers, we will now begin stabilizing your crystals for activation. As I mentioned, this must be done with a great deal of care, skill, and timing, of which our gatherers are perfectly practiced. You seem nervous over here. No? I would be standing in front of a box of thermal detonators. Excellent. Now then, builders, as we move forward into the next stage of the process, what's happening?
Much skill have you shown. Chosen for yourself you have. Now, joined you will be. It is time.
Master Yoda, it is indeed time to take that first step. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. In a moment, on my signal, everyone will take a step forward, place their hands on their hilt, and together we will activate for the first time. Are you ready?
Yes.
Then step forward, place your hand on your hilt, and together, activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. Like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Builders, please deactivate and lower your lightsabers. Very good.
Complete your lightsaber is. Now, your destiny is your own path. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. To protect your new lightsaber, we're pleased to present you with a saber sheath. 6 apart. Builders, our time is at an end. But your journey is just beginning. It's now time to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are as unique and extraordinary as the lightsabers you have created. And who knows, perhaps next time, we may be telling your story. Till the spire.
Thank you for joining us, travelers. Please make sure to
So we just finished building our lightsabers. I actually kind of teared up a little bit when they activate because it's a chilling moment and it's so cool because everyone lights them up at the same time and they lift them, and this is a really cool experience. So Savi's is a super cool experience, but keep in mind if you want to go in there, you do have to buy a lightsaber, which is $200. It doesn't do anything once you're done except for look really cool. You could display it and it'll light up, but that's pretty much it. But if you've been dreaming of wielding your own lightsaber for over 40 years, they definitely make it an amazing, worthwhile experience. In the meantime, friends, make sure to rate, review, subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram at AllEars.net, and until next time, y'all, I'm Molly, and it has been so magical. Want to see more of my videos? Click over here. Want to subscribe? You can do that right here. And also, ring that notification bell to make sure you get instantly notified anytime we post a new video. Thanks for following. See you real soon.